Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new UrbanDecay Moondust Glitter Liquid. I've been dying to try these guys, but I wanted to do it with you on camera so that you get my real reaction, my first impression. So this is what they look like. Look at how beautiful these are. Oh my god. So these are the different shades here. And excuse my nails, and also my hands are stained. If you guys don't know, I just did a UrbanDecay series on my channel, so this is actually the last video which is part of that series. So I did a full face of UrbanDecay. Well, I guess I'm doing a full week of UrbanDecay products because I already took off the makeup that I had on earlier because it was just like a little out of control. It was like a lot of color and a lot of lip, but I really wanted to take that look off and do more of like a bronzy look to kind of fit more with like the glowy vibes for today to try this product. So that's why my makeup is completely different. But if you guys haven't seen those videos, I'll include them in the description down below if you want to see them. So I reviewed all of the Moondust products along with all of the Wired products, which, just a sneak peek guys, look at the Wired palette. How cool is that? You'll love that palette. Oh my god. But you guys are gonna have to click the link in my bio to see it. Everything that I tried by them was amazing. But anyway, moving on. Let's talk about the Moondust Glitter Liquids. So they are a lightweight face and body illuminizer. I just did that take like 100 times. Hyperfine duochrome glitter and pearlescent pigment. It dries instantly for overall sparkle and glow. I'm glad that these dry down because I was a little nervous about that. And I also kind of wanted to compare these to the Soul, what are these called? The Soul Glow Oils, if you guys know of these. I love these. These are my favorite. They just give you like an instant tan. They make your boobs look bigger. They're just an overall nice highlight, and this dries down as well. I feel like they would be pretty comparable actually, but we're gonna find out. So it says that you can use this all over your body, or you can use this as like a face highlight as well. I get nervous when there are products that are meant for your body that can be put on your face. I always feel like I'm gonna break out for some reason. I don't know why, but we're gonna try it out today. So I'm thinking just by looking at these that Barely Baked is gonna be my favorite. This is the one that I already showed you guys like a million times, but let's try them out. I'm gonna do swatches on my arm, and then I think I'm gonna do the Barely Baked like on my chest and my arms just to show you guys. Let me move my chair up a little bit. Maybe I'll zoom this out actually, so you guys can see. All right guys, so we're going in with that Barely Baked. So this comes in a little pump here. It just looks like such a nice glow. All right, and next up is Horizon, which is this one here. This one looks like it almost has more of a rose gold feel to it. So I'm doing this one right below that other one. Ooh, yeah. So it has a lot of pink in it. It has like pinky bronzy sparkles in there, which is really nice. When I'm really fair in the winter, which I'm pretty fair right now, I need to go outside and tan, but I feel like this would be a really good shade for anyone who has fair skin. And then next is, this is Midnight Blast. So this is a little bit more of a bronze. I didn't really think this through. Maybe I'll do this arm. Yeah, so it's definitely more, oh my god, it looks actually kind of red on my skin. So this one is the Barely Baked, and this one is the, what was that, Midnight Blast? Yeah. So you can kind of see like a redness to it, or at least in person it looks a little bit more red than it's coming across on camera. But in person, it almost looks like I put like blush all over my arm. Okay, and then now we're gonna try the Silver, which wouldn't be a shade that I would really use. Maybe for like a Halloween look or something. Or like I was just gonna say a rave. It's like, when would I ever go to a rave? But this would be beautiful for Coachella. Or any kind of festivals like that. Ooh, I actually like this way more than I thought I would. Now that I'm all glowy. All right, now I'm gonna put that Barely Baked all over my chest and my tops of my arms. So it says to apply with fingertips for a more diffused look. So it just looks a little bit more natural, which is good because I was already doing that. And it says for a more even application, you can use a sponge or a brush. I feel like it does just give you that subtle glow. And also guys, not to be like weird, but this really just makes your boobs look so much bigger. Just like adding a little bit of highlight. Not that you can even see my boobs in this top, but it really just gives it that extra boom. And just highlighters put me in such a better mood. I don't like self-tanners that much. I love to be tan, but I just hate like the flaking off process. I'd rather do something like this, where I just give myself an overall glow until I can actually go get a tan. I think that looks so nice. It does look super natural, and it just looks like a nice glow. Like I just went outside for maybe like a half an hour and got a little bit of something. Yeah, this is beautiful. Now I'm gonna try it on my face. So let's see. All right, so I just went like this on my hand. Look at my hand. I'm like the Tin Man over here. But I'm just taking a little bit. Oh, it's just such a beautiful glow. I just love this product. I am gonna say off the bat, I don't think that it's as pigmented as the Soul Glow Oils, but in my opinion, this looks way more natural than the Glow Oils. I'll show you the Glow Oils just for reference. But this is how they look. They're super metallic-y when they come right out. And then I'll just go over my chest just to show you how they look. And they're definitely a thicker formula, whereas the Urban Decay one's very light. It doesn't feel greasy. This one does feel greasy. And you can definitely feel it on your skin, like it feels like you're wearing a product, whereas the Urban Decay one doesn't at all. So I don't even know if you guys could see the difference on camera, so I don't even know why I bothered doing that, but I mean, you could see with them on my hand. Let me just wipe my hand off again. This one is the Soul, and this one is the Urban Decay. I mean, you can definitely tell that this one's way more metallic, and this one's just more of like a natural glow. Alright guys, well that's it for the video. I know this was like super quick and short, but I've been wanting to compare both these products for a little while now, so I finally got the chance. And all these products are courtesy of Steve. He's a global makeup artist for Urban Decay, and he really hooked me up. We've been friends for a little while on Instagram, and I commented on one of his photos where he was applying this to someone, and I was like, I need to have that. So he sent me a message and was like, what's your address? I'll send it over. I was like, what? So he like hooked me up with everything. So all the products that are from Urban Decay for this whole week of videos are all in courtesy of Steve. Thank you so much, Steve. He's so cute. Honestly, guys, he is so talented. You need to follow him. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. That really helps me out. Oh, and make sure to check the description box down below to see the rest of the Urban Decay products. I'm telling you guys, I think I have like 5 other videos all together of different products from Urban Decay. So definitely check it out, and like I said, it's all of the Wired collection and all of the Moondust collections. Also, let me know what you guys think of the series, if you want me to do another one, and if you want me to pick another brand or specific products. So I've been kind of toying with an idea of doing like a head-to-head. This was actually Ruben's idea, like picking 2 products and doing like, I forget what, it was like, he came up with a name for it. It was so cute, but it would be on like Sundays. Every Sunday I would do this, and I would take 2 products and go head to head. I know that other people have done this before, but I think it would be cool to make it a series. I don't know if anyone else has a series like that. They probably do. I'm just an idiot. But I think that that could be a cool idea. So let me know what you think of that, and I'm just gonna stop blabbering on. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.